guys, it's me William, and today I'm back with another video. How was your holidays? I know it was good, mine was good, but I bet so you guys don't have like some holidays. But I saw Shazam and it was really good, and I saw Avengers Endgame, which was really good. It was like my favorite movie. So I don't want to spoil it for you. So yeah. Well, I saw this guy called Ronin, aka Hawkeye. His name was Ronin, but I don't know how to pronounce his name. So today I'm gonna show you how to make him Ronin. Well, I don't know how to spell his name, but okay, so let's get started. So first, you need this hood if you have any black hoods, then that's fine, but I kind of paint mine because I didn't have enough black hoods. And this next head, and the head is from, I forgot where it's from because I feel like it's really hard to find, but because I had this for like a long time when my brother was playing with Legos. So then I got the Outrider Avengers Endgame. I got the Outrider suit from Avengers Infinity War or Avengers Endgame. You could get them from both sets. And then I just used some black arms and then legs, and I have two swords, one that he's holding and one is on here that I use for Bucky Bronze, aka the White Wolf. So there's actually a problem with this thing, but let me show you. So his hood is probably a bit big, but then his this vein, his back vein is like moving out of the way. So that's why there's a problem with that. Yeah. If you guys really like this, I liked it. It was probably a fun custom to make, and let me just put them back together. And yeah, that's probably the end of the video, guys. I know it was pretty short, but that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.